Hello. Do you ever feel like you're navigating the world of digital marketing all on your own? Are you tired of struggling to find the support and resources you need to succeed? Perhaps you often feel isolated in your professional endeavors, craving connections with like minded individuals who share your vision. I was like that. It's time to break free from the constraints holding you back and step into a community that empowers you to thrive. Say goodbye to the days of feeling overwhelmed and frustrated with marketing strategies that just don't seem to work. In our digital marketing empowerment circle, you'll find practical strategies, valuable insights, and a supportive community of professionals who are dedicated to helping you turn your vision into reality. Welcome to this exciting journey where each step forward brings you closer to achieving your goals and growing the clinic or practice with confidence. We're delighted you joined our vibrant community. You are the founding members of the Digital Marketing Empowerment Circle monthly membership. Our flagship gives you the essential tools to transform your professional journey into a success story. The Digital Marketing Empowerment Circle is the culmination of years of experience dedicated to empowering individuals just like you. On the left-hand side of the menu, there is the full navigation menu. You can start where it says start here and work your way through until you find the things that you're looking for. Over time, I'll be adding more and more information, and we'll be holding various weekly masterclasses that you are invited to attend. If you have any questions, feel free to check out the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, or contact Gemma directly at gemma.fong@simplifyingtheweb.com. Please write membership in the subject line so that I know that it's coming from you.